How to file Recovery Rebate Credit on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. To file for Recovery Rebate Credit on TurboTax, you want to log into your TurboTax account. Now select Start a New Return. From here, you want to select Deductions and Credits. The 2020 Recovery Rebate Credit is a part of Coronavirus Aid, Relief and Economic Security Care Act that was signed into law in March of 2020. Many Americans may be eligible for the Recovery Rebate Credit, commonly referred to as the COVID stimulus payment. Before you file for this, make sure that you are eligible. Now, click on the Recovery Rebate Credit section. TurboTax will ask you if you received stimulus payments in 2020 or in 2021. Enter the exact amounts you received for each round of stimulus payments. Based on your income, filing status, and payments received, TurboTax will automatically calculate if you are eligible for more money. If eligible, the credit will be added to your tax refund or reduce your taxes owed. Now you can review all the details and file your tax, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.